What is good with you guys, Schnines? We are back again with another video on BS9, guys. And bro, today I'm showing you guys how I made $15,466.20 on my live trading account on Tradeovate in 15 minutes, bro. This is literally an easy trade. It's such a good trade, guys. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, I didn't expect it to go up that fast or to move that much, like in that time speed. But at the end of the day, it worked out, guys. So that's all I really got to say. I'm going to show you guys how I did it real quickly. And bro, what I really got to say is the first lesson. Let me tell y'all real quickly, bro. Understand what you're trying to do in life, bro. Please understand it. Please stop messing up with it, man. Understand what you're trying to do in life. If you want to trade, bro, get in and trade. That doesn't mean give up your job. That doesn't mean give up your work or whatever you're trying to do or whatever you're pursuing, your career pathways. Because trading is just another money getter. It's just another money kind of, decision to make, right? To make money. But at the end of the day, you have to understand that you don't need to just quit working or something like that before you're actually making a lot of profit trading. If you're continuously making profit in a continuous cycle for maybe a few months and it's a good amount of money, then maybe you can think about quitting your job, think about quitting whatever it is you want to quit. And then maybe if you have a year or a year and a half with, profits as well, and you're still going good, everything's going good, and you have a track record, then you could probably quit your career path or college, whatever y'all doing, you know what I'm saying? And then you could just continue focusing on trading and everything like that. But I recommend don't just quit immediately. So let's get in that mode. We are there. As y'all can see, we are here. This right here was just a very spectacular, easy trade, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This on a live account. As y'all can see, we made 15 freaking K, right? 15K. And shit, look, I can even do this, right? Some people don't want to believe it. Whatever. Fuck it. Let me just do it for the one time. As y'all can see, it's changing. You see what I'm saying? I'm losing money and stuff like that, etc. We're in a... Let's see how this works, man. I'm going to just get a little stop loss right here by this area. But as y'all can see, we are at 15 point something K dollars made, okay? And at the end of the day, you guys have to understand that this is how we do it. This is literally what we do. This is how we do it, literally. And this is the trade that we actually entered. It was a buy trade. A lot of y'all probably seen it. It was at 11:24 a.m., guys. And as y'all can see, bro, if y'all looking at the chart and everything that happened and everything that's secured, everything that's been going on, y'all will be able to see the exact. Okay, guys, so we hit our take profit. So now we're up 15,515, right? So it is what it is. We made a little bit more bread. But guys, you have to look at the overall market, right? So when 9:30 opens, this is what I always recommend. You always look at the, beginning 9:30, something like that. Big drop, right? So it went from 241, 243 or so, all the way down to 133. So it wasn't the biggest drop. It was one candle though. So one candle going down 110 points or so is a lot, right? So 110 points down. So 241 to 133 or so, right? And then it went from 240. Now we're going for the long term, all the way down to about 9:40 a.m., 9:44 a.m. It went down to 957. That's damn near 300 points. It's not 300 fully. It's about 290 something points. Okay. So it went down 290 something points or 280 something points, however much it is. And then it started coming back up, started recovering, as y'all can see by these areas, 9:44 a.m., 9:56 a.m., 10:16 a.m. recovering, guys, right? So from 957, so 29,957 right here. It went all the way up to 29,108. Okay, guys. So a lot of points at the end of the day. It went up a lot of points. Actually didn't go up as much as I thought though. 108, 70. Okay, I actually did. So about 120, something like that, right? So 120 points, something like that by this area, 130 or something like that. And when it went up by this area, guys, I was on the S9 plays with the S9 plays people, and we were on MNQ. And this is exactly what we were in. So we entered the first sell. We lost this sell right here. It's pretty simple though. We only used 4 minis, so 40 micros basically. That's all we used. We didn't lose too much. I think we lost just a straight 900 or something like that, $1,060, right? And then we entered a sell by this area right here, right after, you know what I'm saying? And we won that one for about $2,800, as y'all can see. And that's that. We caught that trade. We won that trade. We got off, you know what I'm saying, on the S9 play. So we took a big W for today. And then after that is when I started seeing and eyeing this buy right here by this area. And that's when I went to NQ to actually finish it off on my live account. And I was seeing it, guys. And y'all have to understand, yes, there was a big sell-off by this area, which we caught at the beginning, right? And it went down. So it went from about 105, 100, let's say, for example, all the way down to 40 something. So 60 points, right? After I seen that 60 point though, I'm understanding that the market did drop a lot and it wants to regroup and recollect all the way back up, okay? So when I seen that the market wanted to regroup and recollect, I had to understand exactly where to enter, exactly what I wanted to, you know, see to actually enter this trade, right? And guys, what I really seen to actually enter this trade is pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty chill, bro. All I seen, guys, was just the buying pressure being way more. And, you know, there's obviously a lot more things and strategies that we have, but just seeing it be way more, even if you're entering with the S9 TV break, you would have won this kind of trade, right? Because there's many positions that you could have actually entered on a TV break strategy, okay? But at the end of the day, we've seen a lot of buying pressure. We've seen very less selling pressure, guys. And that less selling pressure actually, you know, continued. And all it really was, guys, is that the market or the sales, they wanted to sell at higher prices and continue making it go back up at higher prices, and the buys continued buying it up. So now the market is at a higher position, a higher supply chain, guys, right? So there's not as much supply anymore because of where it's at right now. Because, you know, it's at the top right now. Let me show you guys right here. So as you can see, it's at the top right now. So it went up from, this is our interest position, by the way, guys. So about 85 to about 160 or something. So damn near 80 plus points. I think it was, let me see, was it exactly 80 points? Am I tripping? Let me see. 85 to about 163, I think. It was close to about 80 points. It was not really, I don't think I caught exactly 80 points, but I caught close to about 80 points on this trade. About 70 something points to 80 points, right? And we caught the trade. And I'll be honest with you guys, my stop loss was literally by this area right here. So where was it at exactly? So yeah, I didn't have a big stop loss, guys. So that's the whole thing about this trade too. So I didn't have a big stop loss. That's why I say don't drag to break even, because as y'all can see, it went up, went back down. I would have been stopped out. It is what it is, right? But then it started jumping up. These two candles by themselves, I didn't expect these candles to go up this much. I'll be honest with y'all. But it did, you know, just these two candles. So that's what really, you know, increased my move, increased everything like that, and actually made this market go all the way up, right? So it was really these two candles. So these two candles did this. They broke through the peak, everything like that. Just retested one more time, and then actually got the full group up to actually push it all the way up. So the buys finally pushed it all the way up, the group together right here. This was the last chance at buying it for this exact time, guys. And it finally buyed all the way up, and they bought it up, and they bring it to my TP, guys. And 15-minute trade. These 2 minutes right here really, you know, kind of not really determined the trade, but they actually pushed it all the way up, which is why I, you know, kind of let the trade go a little bit, right? I let the trade go a little bit. When it finally started coming to retest, I was seeing if I should drag or anything like that, drag any stop losses up. But then when it started actually coming back up by this area, I let it continue go. But I did drag my stop loss up to this area right here, by the way. So I had a stop right here, had a sell stop. It was right here by this area, right after it made the retest and came back, started continuing up. I had a sell stop right here. This is why I recommend you don't put your thing at break even, because if it comes down and hits your break even, you're going to lose. But if you have at least a lot of profits at the end of the day, this is already damn near 30 points, guys. So already about to be $6,000 or so, right? Or like 5,800, something like that dollars right here. Just that in general would have actually got me good for the day. That's all I want. I didn't want to aim for 15,000, but shit, it went to 15K. But yeah, guys, this is really what it is for today, Shnines. BS9 really did it. We did it. We had a good day, bro. We hit the TP.
I just hit the TP. NQ, yeah, NQ, you know that I love you.
You know I love you, NQ. But see you guys Station Irons check. Hey, man, I'm showing y'all every day, man. So continue watching, subscribe, bro, and like it up, man.